In this tutorial, I'll show you how to delete all browsing history in LibreWolf, including browsing history, cookies, cache, and other site data, as well as how to automatically clear it every time the browser closes. To get started, click the application menu in the top right corner of LibreWolf, represented by the three horizontal lines, and open Settings. On the left side menu, click Privacy and Security. This is where LibreWolf keeps most of its privacy-related options, including history and data controls. Scroll down until you find the History section. Here you'll see an option called Clear History. Click it to open the clearing menu. A new window will appear where you can choose what you want to remove. At the top, you can select the time range to clear. If you want to delete everything, choose Everything. Below that, you'll see a list of items you can remove. This includes browsing and download history, cookies, cache, active logins, and site settings. If your goal is to fully clean LibreWolf, make sure all relevant boxes are checked. In most cases, selecting everything is the best option for a complete reset of your browsing data. Once you're ready, click Clear to delete the selected data. LibreWolf will remove it immediately, and the process only takes a few seconds. Now your browsing history and stored site data have been cleared. Now let's look at an even more convenient option. Below the history settings, there is an option called Clear History when LibreWolf closes. If you enable this, LibreWolf will automatically delete selected data every time you close the browser. This is useful if you want a more privacy-focused setup without manually clearing history each time. If you click the Settings button below it, you can choose exactly what gets cleared when LibreWolf closes. For example, you can choose to clear history and cache, but keep cookies if you want to stay logged into websites. If this tutorial helped you out, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and check out my other LibreWolf tutorials for more tips and guides.